Hi and welcome back. My name is Ricky Wahoa and you're watching the bizanosa.com WordPress tutorial on how you can create a simple WordPress blog. So in this section, I just want to do a simple cPanel overview because that is what we will be using for uploading anything into our website. So if I want to go back to cPanel or into my hosting, I will just click on hosting. So just so that we are on the same level, I want you to click on cPanel. So this is basically the cPanel, and it is the same for most web hosts, except the design. You can see Bluehost has done a good job in editing theirs. They've changed the design, the CSS, and it looks better. In other web hosts, you'll find that the cPanel has not been changed and it will not look like this, but it works the same way. It's just the design that has been changed. These guys have customized theirs to their colors. I'll just scroll down and show you what we have. So here under website, we have certain things you can do. One-click installs, you can install WordPress. One-click installs will give you the capability to install CMSs. Maybe you want to install Joomla, you want to install Drupal, you want to install WordPress. You can just go here and you will choose whatever it is you want to install. Then my installs, this one has what is already installed. For me, I have installed WordPress in a number of websites, and if I go here, I will be able to see some of these websites that I've installed. So those are my installs. If you want to install WordPress, you'll do it from here, and you will see how I do it in a couple of videos coming. Then email, if you want to receive emails from your domain.com, so you can go to the email manager. You can check webmail. This is where you check up your email using webmail. So let me just show you this because I know this is important. I will go into the email manager. Here in the email manager, you can add a new account. If you want to create a new email, you just come here into add new account. So I want to create an example email. I will create bizanosa and I want bizanosa@bizanosa.com. So you'll enter the password. Make sure it's a strong password, lowercase letter, uppercase letter, number, and a symbol. All those must be in there. And I will confirm that. And then I can choose the default email client. This is how you'll be viewing the emails. I will choose Roundcube, and you can give it a max size. If you reach this limit, you will not be able to receive any emails until you either add the capacity or you delete some items in the email. So I will create and finish. You can also create and add another email. This is the email that I have created, so you can create the same for yourself. Okay, so that's it. Going back here, so you've created an email. You can log into that email by going here. So you'll input the email. If it is bizanosa, wow, I'm so used to Gmail, eh? bizanosa@bizanosa.com, and then I will log in. So if I click that, it will take me into my inbox. If I have emails, I will view it here. I'll just click and view it, and you can also compose mail. So let's go back to cPanel and continue on domains. Yes, you can assign domains here directly. Also, if you have another domain, you can also just come here, click on assign, and assign it in the same process as I showed you in the other video, the previous video. So domain manager, you can go and view your domains. You can register a domain. And then the most important thing for me on Cpanel usually is the file manager. So if I click on the file manager, it will enable me to go to whichever directory I want to, so that I can upload file content. So since it seems like I hadn't logged in here for the first time. When you do that, it will automatically log in and take you to the full directory where all the things are. So when you're here, because I know sometimes you'll get here, so let me just tell you what you do if you want to go to a particular website where the website files are. So all the website files are usually in the public HTML. So if you come to public HTML, this is the directory that has the files for your websites. So let's say you've added an add-on domain. If you add an add-on domain, you'll just come here and choose it. Let's say the add-on domain that I added was Errand Market. I would just come into Errand Market, and this is where the files for that domain will be. So right now there's nothing here. Here I just have a redirect and nothing much. So this is where you'll upload everything. This is the important thing for me in Cpanel, the file manager. So you'll go into the public, then choose where you want to, and once you choose, let's say for me it is the Errand Market, I will go in here and I can upload anything. So when I click on upload, it opens this new window where I'm able to upload stuff into my website. So I can upload images, I can upload files, I can upload my theme, I can upload a plugin, I can upload a full website, I can upload lots of different things as long as it meets this size. You can upload anything just by dragging and dropping. So let's say I drag and drop. Let me say I drag and drop this video here. It will automatically start uploading, as you can see. Then I can also upload another thing, and once I do that, it will just add on top of this one and start uploading. If you want to upload anything into your Cpanel, always make sure it is in a .zip file. I use Windows, so I mostly use .zip. If you are on Mac and Linux, use anything else but not .rar, but use any others. If you have .zip, always use .zip. Zip up all your files. For example, in this case, let's say I want to upload all this, I can just zip them all up and compress, add to archive, and then I will choose zip and OK. And once I do that, I can upload this entire file here. So my connection is kind of slow right now, but once it finishes uploading, I will show you that you can extract it. All the uploads I've completed. You'll come in here and reload. Make sure if you want to reload this page, click this one, because if you click this one, it will take you all the way back and you'll have to click again on public HTML, then click again on wherever you want to go to. So just come here and click on this reload, and it will just reload this area for you. So once I do that, you see I have the videos and I have the zip file. So the zip file is what I needed to show you. So I can click on it and come up here and click on extract, and it will extract everything within it. I can click on extract. Let me just click on it, and I want to extract it here. And you know that there are files that I took from this very folder that have the same name. So let's see what it will do when it encounters the same files. You see, it did not ask you for any prompt. That means it overrode all the files which were there. So if I close this and I reload, so every time you extract a zip file, it automatically overrides the files which were there that have the same name as any file in the zip file. So let's say I go and preview this, view this. It's just a video, and as soon as I'm done with this video, I'm going to delete all these items because I don't want them filling up my hosting space. So this is an MP4 video, and apparently Cpanel has no idea what to do. An image or anything else would be visible, however a video is not. So you cannot preview a video right on the Cpanel. And then if you want to change the favicon for your website, normally on Bluehost you'll get something that looks close to this. So you can just come here and upload your new favicon.ico. This I will show you in a couple of videos from now, because I did this for the blog that I'm creating, tips.bizanosa.com. I did this for the tips.bizanosa.com blog. Let me delete this. So when I come back here, there are times that when you click on the file manager, it will bring a prompt window asking you which directory you want to go to. So in that directory, you will be able to choose the website that you want to go to. Once you choose it, it will take you all the way to the directory where the files for that website are. So basically, that's the file manager. It's one of the things that I believe is the most important for me in the Cpanel, so that I can upload, delete, rename. You can even do edits on the Cpanel. If you have a HTML file, you can edit it there. You can edit it on the Cpanel. You will see how I do this in a later video. This has been a somewhat long video because I wanted to be counterintuitive with what you will need and meet in the course. So I know Cpanel is one of the important things when you're managing your own website. That's one of the things most people don't know how to use. If you don't know how to use it, this knowledge is enough to make you upload a website, install a website, and upload files, create new emails, and basically that's it. So I will see you next time.